In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Etsy account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change securely so you don't miss important order updates or messages. This walkthrough is for the Etsy website on a desktop browser, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. In the top right corner, look for the Your Account icon. It may appear as your profile photo or a person-shaped icon. Click that to open the account menu. From the drop-down, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where all your personal and security details are managed. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Change Your Email. It can be a little below the fold, so scroll carefully until you see the fields for entering a new email address. Click into the new email field and type the email you want to use going forward. Be sure this inbox is active and accessible because you'll need to confirm the change from there. Next, in the Confirm New Email field, retype that same address. It's best to type it manually rather than pasting to avoid hidden spaces or typos. If the two entries don't match exactly, Etsy won't let you proceed, so double-check spelling and punctuation. To authorize the change, enter your Etsy account password in the password field. This is a security step to make sure the request is coming from you. When everything looks correct, click the button labeled Change Email. Etsy will process the request and send a confirmation message to the new address you entered. In many cases, you'll also receive a notification at your previous email for your records. Now, go to your new email inbox and look for Etsy's verification message. Open it and follow the instructions inside to verify and confirm the change. If you don't see the email within a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder and consider searching for Etsy in your inbox. Verification links sometimes expire, so act promptly. Once you've confirmed, your Etsy account will use the new email going forward, and you'll use it the next time you sign in. That's it. You've successfully changed your email on Etsy. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy for future updates and enjoy a more secure, up-to-date account.